Hello everybody. So today we'll be creating our first C Sharp program. So to create a C Sharp program, you need to download an extension of C Sharp DevKit and then IntelliCode. And then before that, you'll have to go to Chrome and download .NET from Microsoft website. Then go to settings, command play, new project, and then after that open console app, and console app save it however you want it to be. So I'll save it as first C sharp, enter, and then default directory, create project. And in this there will be already, so I'll show it to you how to do it from start. So we start with using system, and second line we start class program, and then we open a curly brackets, and in this we type static void main brackets. Now we open another flower brackets and we type console dot write line, and we'll write whatever we want in this. So we'll write hello world. And yes, this is our first hello world program. So to run it, we go to this, and it will take some time. And yes, here it is. So this is our first C Sharp program. Thank you.